There are a couple of things. There's filter data and filter functions. And so I'm going to real quickly show you the filter and data. So I'm going to select our director column and go to data and choose create a filter. When I do that, you can see this great little drop down appears. I'm going to press on that. And I don't want it filtered by values because this column is all text. So I'm going to turn that off and choose filter by condition. And then I'm going to go to text contains, and we're only looking for things from John. So I'm going to press OK. And what you can see that it's done is it has only, or excuse me, it hasn't only, but it's narrowed down all of our results to only have the ones that have the name John in it. You can see there's probably more data than we need, so I need to do a different filter, but it does narrow down what you're looking at. So I can then also go ahead and just take this off, and now I have my whole data sheet back.